Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to Aura of Discovery. This is our first video and let me tell you something. I love to travel, like, really love it. But figuring out the logistics, that can be a real buzzkill. That's why I'm hyped to be breaking down some seriously game-changing travel hacks. We're talking about the kind of tips and tricks that can turn your next trip from a logistical nightmare into, like, the smoothest, most epic adventure ever. Listen, I've been there. Struggling to stuff an overflowing suitcase, getting hit with crazy roaming charges, it's the worst. But it doesn't have to be that way. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting your travel journey, these hacks are about to become your new secret weapons. Get ready to pack like a pro, navigate airports like a boss, and basically travel like you know what you're doing, even if you don't. Totally cool. Let's do this thing. Alright, first up, let's talk packing. We've all been there, staring at an overflowing suitcase, wondering how we're gonna make it all fit. But hold on, don't call the airline to book an extra bag just yet. We're about to unlock the secrets of packing like a pro. Forget everything you thought you knew about folding clothes. We're rolling, baby. Rolling your clothes, not folding them, is like finding a free suitcase upgrade. Trust me, it saves a ton of space. And speaking of space-saving magic, get yourself some packing cubes. These things are like mini drawers for your suitcase, keeping everything organized and compact. Plus, you'll actually be able to find your stuff when you get to your destination. No more digging through a black hole of clothes. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. That's right, rock that heavy jacket and those hiking boots through security, even if it feels a little extra. Your luggage and your back will thank you later. Okay, let's get real for a second. When you're traveling, unexpected things can happen. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to drop some serious survival knowledge. First things first, water. Clean drinking water isn't always easy to come by, so pack a portable water filter. Seriously, this thing is a lifesaver. It'll turn even the sketchiest water source into something you can actually drink. Next up, a small first aid kit. I'm not talking about packing a whole hospital room, just the essentials. Band-aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, you know, the basics. Because trust me, a little blister shouldn't ruin your entire trip. And here's a big one. Always have emergency contact information readily available. I'm talking about both digital and physical copies. Phone die? No problem. You've got your trusty notebook. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Now, let's talk about some unexpected travel tools that you might not think you need, but trust me, you do. These are the things that'll make your trip smoother, more comfortable, and way more enjoyable. First up, a portable luggage scale. This little gadget is a game changer, especially if you're a chronic overpacker like me. No more surprise overweight baggage fees. Next, a universal adapter. This one's a no-brainer, especially if you're traveling internationally. Imagine getting to your destination only to realize you can't even charge your phone. And, last but not least, a travel pillow. I know, they look ridiculous, but trust me, when you're stuck on a long-haul flight or a bumpy bus ride, you'll be thanking me. Tip number 4, efficient airport navigation. Conquer the airport like a boss. Airports. They can be stressful, chaotic places, but don't worry, I've got your back. With a few strategic moves, you'll be navigating those terminals like a pro. First things first, download a reliable airport app. Seriously, these things are like having a personal airport assistant in your pocket. Real-time flight updates, gate changes, airport maps, you name it, these apps have got it. Next up, TSA PreCheck. Look, I get it, nobody likes getting felt up by security. But with TSA PreCheck, you can breeze through security without taking off your shoes, belt, or jacket. Plus, the lines are usually way shorter. And if you really want to travel in style, check out lounge access options. Lounges offer a calm oasis amidst the airport chaos. Think comfy seating, free food and drinks, and sometimes even showers. It's a total game changer, especially for long layovers. 5 money-saving tips. Travel farther for less. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, saving money. Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a few savvy moves, you can stretch your travel budget further and experience more. First up, ditch your expensive phone plan and get a local SIM card at your destination. Seriously, local SIM cards are way cheaper and offer better data plans. You'll be scrolling through Instagram and navigating new cities like a local in no time. Next, travel credit cards. Now I know what you're thinking. Credit cards, Casey, are you trying to get me into debt? But hear me out. travel credit cards can actually save you a ton of money if you use them responsibly. Look for cards that offer sign-up bonuses, miles, and no foreign transaction fees. And here's a sneaky little hack: book your flights and accommodations in incognito mode. Travel websites often track your browsing history and jack up prices if they know you're interested in a particular destination, but incognito mode keeps your searches private so you can snag those sweet, sweet deals. 6. Language barriers bridging the communication gap. Alright, let's talk about language barriers. Traveling to a new country where you don't speak the language can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be a total communication breakdown. First things first, download a translation app. These things are lifesavers, allowing you to have real-time conversations with locals, even if you don't speak a word of their language. But don't rely solely on technology. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language goes a long way. Things like hello, thank you, and excuse me can make a world of difference. Plus, locals will appreciate the effort, and if you're feeling really ambitious, carry a small phrase book. It's old school, but it works. Plus, it's a great way to impress locals with your linguistic skills, or at least your willingness to try. 7. Staying healthy on the road. Don't let travel wreck your wellness. Listen, when we're traveling, it's easy to let our healthy habits slide, but staying healthy on the road is crucial if you want to actually enjoy your trip. Nobody wants to be stuck in their hotel room with a nasty cold. First things first, stay hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you can. Airplanes, different climates, they can really dehydrate you. Next up, pack healthy snacks. I know, airport kiosks and convenience stores are tempting, but resist the urge to load up on sugary drinks and processed foods. Pack some nuts, fruit, or granola bars to keep your energy levels up and your stomach happy. And don't forget to move your body. Traveling often involves a lot of sitting on planes, trains, automobiles, so make an effort to get in some light exercise. Go for a walk, explore a new city on foot, or even do some stretches in your hotel room. 8. Safety precautions. Protect yourself and your belongings. Alright, let's talk about safety. Because, let's face it, the world can be a sketchy place sometimes. But don't worry, I'm not trying to scare you. Just giving you the tools to stay safe and protect your belongings. First things first. RFID blocking wallets and passport holders. These bad boys protect your personal information from electronic theft. It's like having an invisible shield for your identity. Next, make copies of all your important documents. That's right, I'm talking about your passport, visa, driver's license, the works. Keep one set of copies separate from the originals and store them securely. And here's a big one. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to your gut instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Trust your intuition and remove yourself from any situation that makes you feel uncomfortable. 9. Local experiences. Ditch the tourist traps, embrace authentic adventures. Okay, let's talk about the heart and soul of travel: experiencing new cultures and connecting with locals. Because, let's face it, nobody wants to be just another tourist snapping photos of famous landmarks. First things first, ditch the tourist traps and explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. Ask locals for their recommendations, wander down hidden alleyways, and discover the hidden gems that most tourists never get to see. Next, consider hiring a local guide. Local guides offer insider knowledge, unique perspectives, and can take you to places you wouldn't find on your own. Plus, you'll be supporting the local economy, and most importantly, engage with locals. Strike up conversations, ask questions, and be open to new experiences. You'll be amazed by the connections you make and the stories you'll hear. And last but not least, 10 tech-savvy travel. Navigate the world like a digital nomad. In today's digital age, technology is a traveler's best friend. From finding the best flights to navigating new cities, there's an app for everything. First things first, travel apps. Seriously, download a bunch of them. Flight trackers, accommodation booking platforms, city guides, translation apps. The possibilities are endless. Next up, download maps offline. Because let's face it, Wi-Fi isn't always reliable. Downloading maps offline ensures that you can still navigate new cities even without an internet connection. And last but not least, a power bank, because the last thing you want is for your phone to die in the middle of nowhere, leaving you stranded and phoneless. A power bank is a lifesaver, especially for long days of exploring. Outro. So there you have it, my friends, 10 travel hacks that will change your adventures forever. From packing like a pro to staying safe, navigating airports to embracing local experiences, These tips and tricks will help you travel smarter, smoother, and with way more confidence. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite travel hack? Drop it in the comments below. Let's share the knowledge and help each other travel like pros. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, vlogs, and adventures. Thanks for watching. And remember, the world is your oyster. Get out there and explore it.